Are you facing the dreaded TP-Link says no authority error and not sure how to fix it? You're not alone. This error is common when trying to configure a TP-Link device or access its admin page, and it can be frustrating when you're eager to get your network running smoothly. Thankfully, there are straightforward solutions to resolve this issue. In this guide, we'll walk you through step-by-step instructions on how to fix a TP-Link device error that says no authority. Step 1. Verify your connection. First, ensure that all of your physical connections are correct. Check that the Ethernet cable is securely connected to both the TP-Link device and your computer. Sometimes a loose or faulty cable can disrupt your connection and cause authorization errors. Power cycle the TP-Link device by unplugging it from the power source, waiting a few seconds, and then plugging it back in. This step can often resolve minor glitches. Step 2. Ensure correct IP address. Double-check the IP address you're using to access the TP login page. It's typically something like 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Enter this address into your browser's address bar. If these don't work, refer to your device's user manual for the correct IP address or use the TP-Link website support section to determine it based on your specific model. Incorrect IP addresses are common culprits for access issues. Step 3. Use default username and password. Try logging in with the default username and password, which are often both admin. If you or someone else has changed these details and you don't remember them, factory reset might be necessary. To reset, locate the reset button on the device, usually a small recessed button that can be pressed with a pin. Hold it for about 10 seconds until the device reboots. Remember, this will erase all custom settings. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Sometimes an accumulation of cache data can interfere with your ability to log in. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to ensure they aren't contributing to the problem. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and try accessing the TP-Link login page again. If you can, try a different browser to see if the issue persists. Step 5. Disable VPNs and proxies. VPNs and proxy servers can sometimes cause conflicts with local network devices. Temporarily disable any VPNs or proxies and attempt to access the TP-Link admin page again. Once you resolve the error, you can re-enable them as needed. Step 6. Update or roll back firmware. Outdated or corrupt firmware can cause login issues. Check the TP-Link website for the latest firmware version for your model and update it if necessary. Conversely, if the problem started after a recent update, reverting to the previous version might solve the issue. Consult your device's manual or support resources for specific instructions on how to safely update or roll back them. Dealing with the TP-Link no authority error can be inconvenient, but it's typically manageable with a few troubleshooting steps. By verifying your connections, using the correct IP address, trying default login credentials, clearing your browser cache, disabling VPNs, and managing firmware updates, you can effectively resolve this issue. Prioritize security by setting a strong, unique password once you regain access to your device. With these steps, you'll be back to surfing the web smoothly in no time. If problems persist, contacting TP-Link support is always an option for personalized assistance. Safe networking.